In this lesson, we'll explore the for and for each loop. The for loop is used when you know in advance how many times you want the code block to execute. The syntax of the PHP for loop consists of 3 parameters, as displayed in the dialog box. In this example, we've created a for loop to output the value of variable x, starting from 0 and up to a value equal to or less than 10. In our web browser, we can see the output 0 right up to 10. The for each loop works only on arrays. It's used to loop through each key or value pair in an array. In this example, we've created an array variable, cars, and assigned it 4 values: Volvo, BMW, Honda, and Ford. We then set up a for each loop to loop through each value in the cars array and output the result using the echo statement. We can see in the web browser that each value in the array has been outputted: Volvo, BMW, Honda, and Ford. We can see that for every loop iteration, the value of the current array element is assigned to the variable value.